Hi, I'm Dr. Richard Rosenthal, Medical Director of APEX Biologix, and I'm here to ask you to join us for our August conference on regenerative medicine through the Advanced Regenerative Medicine Institute. The course will, of course, be online due to the COVID epidemic, and that gives us the opportunity to have instructors from all over the world. I will be speaking on just stem cells in general, introducing the topic of stem cells, and as always, a fun topic. I'll be speaking on FDA guidelines regarding the use of stem cell therapies. It's always fun and a controversial topic. We've got some other fantastic speakers, of course, George Cheng Chen, who you know, and Aggie Stosha, who you may or may not know, and I hope I pronounced that last name correctly, but she's a wonderful person, and I always learn something from her and all the instructors that we have a chance to interact with. So I hope you'll join us, and I look forward to seeing you there.